Hello, today I'm going to show you a simplified version of moqueca. That's a very typical dish from Bahia, Brazil. Here are the ingredients needed. 5 fish fillets, 1 lime, 4 cloves of garlic minced, salt, olive oil, 1 onion, 5 tomatoes, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of coconut milk, cilantro, and crushed red pepper flakes if desired spicy. The first thing we're going to do is to finely chop only 2 of the garlic cloves. We're going to marinate the fish fillets, cut them in cubes, add salt to taste, and add the chopped garlic cloves. Then squeeze the lime on top of the fish fillets. This is going to help it marinate. Now we're ready to prepare our remaining vegetables. Finely slice the onions, chop the tomatoes, and finely slice the yellow and red bell pepper. Now we're ready to cook. Heat the oil in a pan. Add the onion, garlic cloves, and red pepper flakes if desired spicy, and saute them until slightly browned. Add the sliced bell peppers. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook for 15 minutes. Stir occasionally during the 15 minutes, and then after, add the 2 cups of chicken broth. Simmer for another 15 minutes. After the second 15 minutes, now we're ready to add the fish and the marinade. Simmer until the fish is cooked, probably another 10 minutes or so. Rice traditionally goes really well with moqueca. While you're waiting your 10 minutes, this will be a great time to start preparing it. Once the fish is cooked, we're going to add the 1 cup of coconut milk. Stir, adjust for salt, and add the cilantro. And now it's time to serve.